Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to find the clipboard in Google Chrome. So Chrome itself does not have a separate clipboard viewer. You can access the clipboard content through the web pages that request clipboard access or by using keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl and V to paste the current clipboard content into the text field. Now I will show you a workaround on how to view clipboard content upon our Windows. Press Windows plus V to open the clipboard section. And after turning it on, you will see your clipboard history here. We accessed clipboard content in Chrome, and I also showed you a workaround to view the clipboard content in your device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.